everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would learn how to solve the practice problem nPr, that is basically permutation. So this is a basic mathematical question. So if we are clear with the concept of permutation, we can easily solve it. So let's see what is the formula. So it is written like nPr. Okay. Now the formula is n factorial. Okay. Then it is n minus r factorial. Okay. Now we have only one function in it, that is for calculating the overall, overall permutation. But what we would do is we would create one more function. Okay. And that function would be for calculating the factorial of the other values. Okay. So that function would be for calculating the factorial of other values. Okay. So I hope you guys are clear. This is the formula and we would be adding a function for calculating the factorial, and then using that factorial we would calculate the permutation. So I hope you guys are clear with the concept. The factorial symbol is this. Okay. This is the symbol for factorial. So let's start. Okay. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Then you need to find the problem nPr. Okay. Once you find it, click on solve. So let's start. This is the question. Write a program to calculate nPr. nPr represents n permutations r, and value of nPr is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay. So I hope you guys are clear with it. So let's start. And we would be coding it over here. Okay. So let's start. Like I mentioned, we would create one function for calculating the factorial. Okay. So that would be def fact. Okay. In that we just need the number. Okay. So after this, if the number is 0. See, if we have a number 0, then the factorial is 1 for that. Okay. So then I would just directly return with 1. Okay. Then next is else. Else if it is not 0, right? Else if it is not 0, return. And now I am just writing the factorial formula. Okay. Num star circular brackets. I am calling it again. Okay. This is like recursion. This is recursion basically. Num minus 1. Okay. So again and again I would be calling the function till I get the proper factorial value. Okay. So this is recursive calls. Okay. So this is recursive calls. Now let's move forward to the next part. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. Now this is for the def function that I have created, but my original goal was for calculating the permutation, right? So we need to do that as well. 1 minute. And let me come over here. Enter. Backspace. Over here I would write return. Now I need the integer value, so int. Then what? Then I need the factorial of n. So I would write fact circular brackets n, right? Then slash. After this slash I need the factorial fact of n minus r, right? So n minus r. So I hope you guys are clear with the formula. And now to test if it is correct or not, I will click on compile and run. 1 minute. Let's check if it is correct or not. Okay, the compilation is done and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. Let me submit it. So see, the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem permutation. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys have enjoyed it, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.